Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and doing your work timely. It will help you to solve your paper easily, so just do practice and do work hard to improve your position. Okay, this is the page number 15. These are all the exercises of unit number 2. Hope so that you have learned all the difficult meanings and all the important points like this from the text page. Okay, let's see the exercise number 1. Find the meanings of these words in your dictionary. Use these words in sentences of your own. Okay, the words are given here: deposit, rotten, cigarette butts, guilty, and consequences. You have to find out the meaning of all these words and you have to use these words in your sentences. Thesaurus. Fun has different meaning like pleasure, enjoyment, etc. We can find similar meaning of a word in the thesaurus. Okay, it is a important point, and they have told you that thesaurus is a you can say it is thesaurus is itself a precious thing that give you different meaning of one word. Okay, text pattern. You have to find it out by yourself. The main idea of the text mean uh, text of your unit like this. Okay, trash, recycling, or environment. You have to tick the correct answer of this one. Okay, number 2, reread paragraph number 2 of the lesson and find out how the writer spot the main idea, definitions, evidences, and examples from which he is spotting the main idea. He is giving the definition or he is giving the evidences or examples. You have to tick it out. Okay, in paragraph number 3 and 4, the writer is talking about the causes, effects, and solution of the littering. Can you identify and write causes, effects, and solution? Okay, you have to write all the causes. For example, how the littering cause, and after that how it affects, and after that in the effects and consequences of it you have to give the solution of these problems. Okay, and you have to take out all the consequence. Okay, and exercise number C, answer the following questions. If you have read the paragraph very carefully, very well, so you have it would be easy for you that you will give the answer of the given question. Number 1, what is littering? यानी कूड़ा फैलाना, करकट फैलाना, फेंकना क्या है? Number 2, what excuse do people give about littering public places? Public places पे जब लोग कूड़ा फैलाते हैं तो वो क्या बहाने बनाते हैं, ये आपने बताना है. Number 3, what diseases can spread due to littering? कूड़ा करकट फैलाने की वजह से कौन कौन सी बीमारियाँ फैल सकती हैं? Number 4, हाउ डू आवर गुड एंड बैड हैबिट अफेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट? हमारे इर्द गिर्द के माहौल को हमारी अच्छी और बुरी आदतें कैसे अफेक्ट करती हैं? यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर नोटबुक एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू make a title page of it as we just done in our classroom, so and write it on your neat notebook. Now let's come to the grammar part. It is countable and uncountable noun, as it is showing the heading of the concept is showing countable noun, you can count it. Uncountable noun you can not count the things. Okay, so आपने यहाँ पे नेम लिखने हैं काउंटेबल में जो आप गिन सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अरेजर्स, you have a box of eraser, you can count it, but the water you cannot the count water. आप पानी को नहीं गिन सकते. You cannot count the rice, you cannot count here. So you have to write the name sugar, milk, oil, and you can count it in the shape of bottle. 1 bottle of oil, 1 bottle of sugar, like this. Okay, okay. Pick out and write uncountable noun from the lesson. Okay, it is again your homework and you have to pick out all the uncountable nouns if there is any, and you have to write it on your rough notebook as a practice. Okay, hint, first of all, the hint of all this exercise, that the name which will come in these parts all will be noun. It will help you to complete the this blocks. Okay, complete the puzzle with the help of given clues. They have given you the first letter of the word and you have to read this clue like bees collect it. And what bees collect? honey, HONEY, honey. Okay, so you have to read all this thing and you have to choose the name. It, inshallah, it will be easy for you, and you have to solve this puzzle. Okay, now exercise C. Now classify the above noun into countable and uncountable noun. Okay, it is too much easy, beta. First of all, you have to fill this puzzle. After that, you have to find the countable noun and write here in this box, and find the uncountable noun from here and write in this box. Okay, so beta, stay blessed. Inshallah taala, further I will clear you the next topic. Just revise it, learn it very well. Hope it will be helpful for you to learn the lesson in easy way. Stay blessed.